In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and edit metadata in Adobe Bridge. First, let's dive right into the process by opening Adobe Bridge. Once you have it open, you'll want to select the files that you intend to inspect. This is a straightforward process. Just navigate to the folder that contains your files and click on them to highlight your selections. If you need to select multiple files, you can do so by holding down the Control key or Command key, depending on whether you're using a PC or a Mac, and clicking on each file. Now, before you proceed any further, check that the metadata panel is visible in the interface, because that's where most of the magic happens. The metadata panel is a crucial component because it provides a comprehensive overview of all the details embedded in your files. If you don't see the metadata panel in your workspace, don't worry. It's easy to bring it up. Simply navigate to the top menu and click on Window, then move down to Panels, and finally select Metadata. It may appear as a different name in your version, but you should catch on easily. This action will make the metadata panel appear on your screen, ready for you to utilize. Once the panel is visible, you'll notice it breaks down metadata into various categories. Some common categories you'll encounter are file properties, IPTC, camera data, and GPS information. Each of these categories serves its own unique purpose. For instance, file properties contain general information such as file name and size. On the other hand, IPTC metadata includes details that are helpful for professional photographers, like bylines and copyrights. If your camera records data, the camera data section will provide specifics like the type of lens used and exposure settings. It's fascinating to see how much information can be packed into each file. If you're looking to explore metadata even further, Adobe Bridge has you covered. Navigate to File in the top menu and then click on File Info. This action allows you to view the metadata in much more detail. It's like opening a treasure chest of information, organized neatly for your perusal. For those who prefer quick browsing, Adobe Bridge also offers some display options to enhance your workflow efficiency. You can adjust the view to display metadata alongside thumbnails. Simply go to the top menu, select View, and then choose either As Details or As List. This configuration will show the metadata right next to the corresponding file thumbnails, which can be incredibly useful for scanning through information quickly without needing to open each file separately. And there you have it, a straightforward explanation on how to view and edit metadata in Adobe Bridge, optimizing your workflow and helping you to manage your digital media more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.